So today I'll be showing you how to remove an Instagram account from your phone. Now this will work on both iPhone or Android. So to remove an Instagram account from your phone, you can do two things. Number one, you can log out, and this works if you have more than one Instagram account and you want to just remove one of them and leave the other one. So for that reason, you want to go into the Instagram app, load up the account you want to remove. For instance, you can see I have a couple of accounts here. So you can load up the one you want to remove and then tap on the profile icon, and on the profile page, tap on the three-line button in the top right and then scroll all the way down until you see the logout button. You can tap on that and then log out of that account. So that is one way to do it. Now, once you log out, it's going to automatically load the alternative Instagram account. So that's what you do when you want to remove one of your Instagram accounts. Now, if you only have one Instagram account and you want to remove it from your iPhone or from your Android phone, you can simply uninstall the app. Okay, so just long press and tap on remove app and then confirm you want to actually uninstall the app. It might be a slightly different process for Android users, but basically uninstalling the app removes the Instagram account from the phone. Now keep in mind that this will not delete your Instagram account. It's just being removed from the phone. Maybe you want to take a break. That's how you do it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.